Hi, I'm Tanya from Elite Pilates Services and welcome to our website. If you are suffering with any aches and pains from your everyday life, perhaps you are someone that has to sit at a desk all day and your body's feeling quite tight, maybe you've got lower backache, or perhaps you travel a lot, so you might be sitting behind the steering wheel for long hours at a time, then Pilates is definitely something that can help you. Or maybe you have sciatica, or you've hurt your back before, or perhaps you have fibromyalgia, arthritis, any kind of ailments like that, then Pilates is fantastic. So Pilates is very gentle on the body, so there's no impact, we're not jumping around. It helps support all the strengthening muscles around your hips, your shoulders, all of this, your spine, so that you can become stronger, fitter, and more mobile. And it does help with reducing your pain symptoms. So for those the clients that we have for fibromyalgia, they've been able to reduce their medication. Pilates is a very mindful practice, so if you're suffering with stress or anxiety or depression, Pilates has helped me personally over the last 6 or 7 years with my own mental health and my own anxiety and PTSD and all of that. So I can definitely vouch that it does work. If you would like to give Pilates or yoga a go, then we'd be delighted to invite you for a free taster, either here at the studio where we do Pilates and yoga, or we do your Pilates out in Paignton, Torquay, and Plymouth as well. So we're delighted to invite you along for a free taster session with us. And all you need to do is click on the box next to the video and we will get you all booked in as soon as possible. So if you've got any questions, then please get in touch and I'll be delighted to have a chat with you about any concerns you may have. So once again, come along, have a free taste to see what it's all about, and you never know, you might become as hooked and madly in love with Pilates and yoga as I am. So take care and cheerio, bye.